Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through the Mood Tracker bullet journals. Mood tracking and journaling can have a profound impact on mental health. It offers an efficient and effective means of monitoring emotional patterns, identifying triggers, and fostering a sense of awareness and control over one's psychological well-being. Individuals can better understand and evaluate their emotional landscape by routinely jotting down feelings, experiences, and thoughts in a Mood Tracker bullet journal. This can reveal unexpected patterns, improve self-awareness, and improve mental health. This worksheet is also a self-reflective tool that encourages introspection and mindfulness. As emotions are logged over time, trends may emerge, revealing the impact of certain events, interactions, or situations on an individual's mood. This can reveal potential stresses or triggers and offer insights into managing or avoiding them to improve emotional well-being. To use our free Mood Tracker bullet journal, follow these steps. Download our Mood Tracker bullet journal from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Explain how the Mood Tracker bullet journal works to your client, emphasizing the importance of routine monitoring and self-awareness. Consider outlining any goals or insights they can gain from tracking their moods. Walk your client through each step of the journaling process. Encourage them to be as detailed and honest as possible. Make sure to answer any questions they may have. Give your client at least a month to accomplish the template. Once they have completed the journal, encourage them to look through their entries and reflect on any insights or emotions that came up during the process. Review the Mood Tracker bullet journal entries with your client and identify any patterns or stresses that may have emerged. Discuss actionable steps they can take to address these patterns. Here is a sample of our Mood Tracker bullet journal, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Mood Tracker bullet journal, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.